Hi, my name is Peter Overbo with Yanmar Compact Equipment North America, and today I would like to talk about one of our productivity features with our brand new lineup of compact track loaders. This productivity feature is what we call return to position. The return to position function allows an operator to preset a location of the loader arm as well as the work tool positioner for environments and operations requiring the same repetitive motion. By setting this return to position function, the operator with a click of a button is able to bring the loader arm and work tool position back to that preset location without having to manually make those movements themselves. To use the return to position function, an operator must simply place the loader arm and work tool position in the proper placement that they want to record the function at. To record the function, the operator will simply press and hold down the button underneath the right-hand joystick. On the 7-inch color touchscreen display, an icon will begin to flash, and once it becomes solid, the setting has been recorded. In order for the operator to recall that position, the operator must simply move the loader arms and work tool positioner towards that placement while pressing the button quickly. That will then bring the loader arm and work tool positioner automatically back to that position. Thanks for learning more about our return to position function. Please check out our other videos to learn more about the other productivity features with our Yanmar Compact Track Loader lineup.